Hi, I'm Reva with Quality Sewing and Vacuum, and we have a really awesome event coming up very soon that I wanted to tell you about. We have Kym Goldup-Graham coming from all the way down under in Australia, coming up and joining us in April for a 2-day hands-on luxurious event where everything is provided for you. We're going to have machines for you. We're going to have food for you, and all the kits, everything. So all you have to do is come and have a great time. So let me tell you a little bit about the event. Well, let me start with telling you about Kym. Kym is very knowledgeable, and she is able to give us tips and techniques for embroidery and other sewing that are so easy to follow. She kind of demystifies some things, and she's also hilarious, and she's so much fun. So not only do you get to come and enjoy a wonderful sewing environment, you're going to get to have a great time, and your side will probably hurt from laughing so much. But what Kym is bringing us is the sewing revolution. This is a wonderful 2-day team sewing hands-on event where you're going to learn how to place your embroidery exactly where you want it to go. So as you know, if you've ever done embroidery, that's always the chore, is trying to figure out how to get your embroidery exactly where you want it to be. Well, Kym is going to show us how to get them so they're rotated exactly where you want them to be and in the exact location. And I don't think you can really see, but there's actually some stitching on here too, where she's going to show us how to do stitching exactly placed how you want it to be. So you're going to not want to miss this event. This is the first time she's been back in our area since 2018, I think. So we're so lucky to have her come. So you're going to want to join us. If you're in the Everett area, the class is April 19th and 20th. Again, they're 2 days, all day long, lunch, machines, fun, everything's included. And then in Olympia, it's April 23rd and 24th. And in Tukwila, April 26th and 27th. And you know what? It's getting really close, but we still have an early bird sale going on. So if you sign up right now, you're going to be able to take advantage of our early bird pricing. So not only are you going to have a great time, you're going to learn tons, you're going to laugh till you can't laugh anymore, but you're also going to save some money because you can sign up today. So we look forward to seeing you there at one of our Sewing Revolution events in either Everett, Olympia, or Tukwila.